Guys,
what he does for a living.
I touched the crocodile. I touched the crocodile. Good morning, people. Welcome back to KAM.
That's fine.
For real. So we're heading today to we're at the gas station, but we're also heading to St. Elizabeth. I'll take you with me as I always do. Hopefully you enjoy this vlog. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, and clicking the notification bell. See you soon. The Black River Safari, the home of the crocodiles, and guess what I am wearing? Hold on, let me show you. Let's read it. J. Charles Swaby's Black River Safari, the home of the crocodiles. Daddy, why you know I'm going on the boat?
Come on. Me no want go there, me not go there.
You're afraid? You're coward. About to go down. I'm kind of scared, low key. But let us see. Kendra, how do you feel?
I'm okay. I lost an ID, but that's alright.
Welcome to the Black River Safari. I'm Shane, out here, captain, and also your crocodile judges. Alright, so the crocodiles here, they're very friendly. Sometimes we don't have to invite them inside, they'll just jump right in. So just in case. Well, just in case one jumps in, we jump out, alright?
So guys, if you can see now, the water has turned from brown to black. Hence the name. Black River.
But get in the water in a cup or a bottle, it might be black today or it might be clear. So we're gonna get some in this bottle to see the color.
Alright. Come on, lab.
I'm gonna ask the closest person to the door to get the water.
Thank you so much.
Are you right-handed?
I am.
Okay, use the left hand.
Guys, pray for me.
We will.
Get me.
Those are front. Come on, go ahead.
Boy, come on. Come on, girl, you can do it.
It's
Okay,
clear.
it's clear.
Yeah.
Maybe you have magic fingers.
Oh, come on. They're
That's
blessed.
my niece catching water from the Black River, which has 400 adult crocodiles.
I did it, guys.
You did.
I did it.
So proud of you.
Thank you.
You're so brave.
Thank you for...
If I drink it, I'm going to turn into a crocodile.
Oh, no!
What it tastes like?
Good man.
It's a spring.
Yeah. It
It's
tastes like
just like
spring
crocodile
water.
peep
Yeah.
in there.
Yeah, it smells like crocodile pee if it's
Come.
There's no meat. You wanna give me a hand or a leg?
That's crazy. He's ugly. You can't pet him? Yeah, he's fat. He's like, you just eat, go terrorist.
Giving him a tug.
Stop.
That's crazy.
That's 16 feet?
Yeah, you're not player. I think he is going to jump. Wala with the Wait, Miss Waja. I'm in the army, yes.
Anyone else want to touch?
Army of Christ. Army of Christ.
Anyone else want to touch? Wow, very cool. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, love it. Yeah, I want to touch it.
Get in there, Neil.
Go, Neely, go touch it.
No, it's turned it too
I touched the crocodile. I touched the crocodile.
That's his job.
Famous thing is right here.
I touched this guy right here. I touched him. No, not all different over here, just chilling as though there's no care in the world.
That's crazy. Guys, and it's not even fake.
Border.
What is that?
Border. A place called Cove.
Yes.
In where at the border of St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. The best fishing village, fry fish village in Jamaica. Right. Yeah, well, this is the border of Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. If you go to the other side of this road here, you see welcome to St. Elizabeth.
Yeah.
You're entering St. Elizabeth from there.
Oh.
That's the beach down there.
Yeah.
Right. So you're entering St. Elizabeth from here. Right? And you entered Westmoreland from here.
Okay. All right.
So
Thank you so much.
Just go there.
Oh, we're going somewhere else?
Well, we're going to take you back into the fishing village. Not and bad.
Stunted.
outside, yo, in the rain. So we are currently at Milk Waters buying shrimp in the rain because what? Would have to eat same way, right? So far it's been a very great day, very festive. Right now it is raining heavily. It's raining heavily in St. Elizabeth, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be raining in Mandeville as well. And once we reach Clarendon, it's gonna be dry as usual. Clarendon doesn't really get much rain, especially where I'm from, where we live. So I'm gonna buy a few things and then we're gonna head on home.